As UI designers, odds are we're going to need some icons to go with our amazing designs that we create. So here's 5 free icon sets that you can start using in your UI designs right now. This first icon set I've been using for a few years, it's Feather Icons, and these are icons designed on a 24 by 24 grid with emphasis on simplicity, consistency, and flexibility. So this is free to use because it is open source, and you can preview all of the different icons here on feathericons.com. You can also adjust the size if you don't like 24 by 24, you can up them to 48 by 48. You can also adjust the stroke width and color here. The current version is 4.29 and it has 287 icons, so not a whole lot, but they are really nice looking and I love using these in my UI designs. So you just hit download all to grab all of them. Once you open that folder up, you can see they're all SVG. I can just hit Command A to select all of them and just drag them into Figma. It's going to throw them all in Figma here, and I can just select them, go up to Component, the drop down, and create multiple components. And immediately I have all these master components so that I can easily add to my design system or the file I'm working in and easily use these in my UI designs. There's also a plugin available just by searching Feather Icons. And here are all of those icons that I can easily just grab one. So like this one, I can click on it, throw it into my file, and use it in my designs. So that one was Feather Icons, about 287 free customizable icons. This next one is Material Symbols. You'll probably be familiar with Material Design, Google's open source design system. Material Symbols is Google's newest icon set, compiled into a single font file with a wide range of design variations. You can see here on the right, there's also a customization option. You can set if you would like a filled option or not just by dragging the slider. And since this is a font, you can actually change the weight here, which is pretty cool. And you can also adjust the grade and optical size. To use these, you can simply click on one of the icons, and here you'll get the variable icon font and what you need to use this. So here you have the link and the style for it. Then you can also have a static option if you prefer. And then at the bottom, you can download it as an SVG or a PNG. However, in Figma, the easiest way to utilize this icon library is just by running the Material Symbols plugin. Here you can see you have the option up top for the different styles. So if you want outlined, rounded, or sharp icons. So I'm gonna go with outlined. And you can set the weight since it is a font. You can choose if you want these to have a fill, the grade, and the optical size. And then just click on whichever icon you want to use. So this one, and then I'll throw it into your UI designs. The Material Symbols library is a massive library of 2,500 glyphs. And you can see here it's actually organized into sections, which I like to easily find different icons. This set's a good one for larger projects where you need a wide variety of icons. With 2,500 glyphs, it's pretty much anything you need is going to be in this set, so you won't have to do any custom icon work. So if you haven't already, check out Material Symbols at fonts.google.com. Thanks to NordPass for sponsoring today's video. NordPass is a secure way to remember passwords. With NordPass, you can store and access your online accounts from anywhere. No more sharing passwords via email or waiting on the main account holder. All your credentials are saved in one secure place that's just one click away. Logging into your accounts is seamless. Your usernames and passwords populate automatically into the login fields whenever you need them. And with NordPass, you can give and revoke access effortlessly, so whether you have a new hire or someone leaving the company, you can easily make sure that all of your accounts are still secure. If you're interested in checking out NordPass for yourself, check out NordPass Business in action with a 3-month free trial using code KaylerEdwards. I'll have the link to that down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And again, thanks to NordPass for sponsoring today's video. This next set is Heroicons, and these are available at Heroicons.com, and this one is version 2. This is one of my newest finds, and it's easily becoming one of my favorites, as I really like the way these icons look. Currently with version 2, there's 292 icons in 3 different styles. They have the outline, which is a 24 by 24 point with 1.5 pixel stroke. And then there is a solid option that's 24 by 24. And then there is a mini option, which is 20 by 20. You can easily search for any icon that you like. And then when you found one, you can either copy the SVG or the JSX, which is really nice and easy to implement. And they also have a Figma file available for use in Figma. So you can just grab a copy of that to start using it in your designs. So a quick look at that file, you can zoom in and you see all of the different icons in each of the different styles. So here's the mini, the outline, and the filled version. All nice and clean with the naming convention to the right of them. And of course, all the icons are set to components and grouped into their different styles. You can easily just copy and paste this into your design file to grab access to these icons, or my preferred way to use these is to publish them to my team library to access them in all of my team-wide designs. So that was Heroicons at heroicons.com. This next icon set is from Untitled UI, and you can get this at untitledui.com. These icons were made specifically for Figma in Figma, and there is a free version and a paid version. So the free version is still a massive icon library with 1,100 plus icons and counting. And then the full paid version has 4,600 plus icons. So the website showcases the free, which is the lined version, which is a really nice icon set here. And they also have in the paid version the Duo Color, Duo Tone, and then Solid, which is the newest addition to Untitled UI's icon library. So to simply pick this up and start using it in your Figma files, just simply grab the free download here. And you can open that up in Figma and you can take a look at all of the different icons here. And of course, they have the naming convention for each icon next to it. They all look super nice and clean. And of course, they're already set to components and nice and organized as well. They also have some of the previews for the different styles. So if you're considering this as an end-all icon set library for yourself, you can preview those styles before you purchase. But still, the lined icons has a massive library. So if you're needing some lined icons for your designs, this is a good one to take a look at. And of course, to use this, you can just grab these icons and copy and paste them to your files, or you can publish this entire thing to your team library to use throughout your team. So that was Untitled UI's Icons. This last set is Iconor. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's iconor.com. Current version is 5.5.1. And currently in this icon set, there are 1,233 icons at the time I'm recording this video. And you can see it's a pretty popular icon set. It's available for React, Flutter, Figma, React Native, and Framer. Scrolling down, you can actually take a look at the icon set itself. On the right, you have the customizable options for size, stroke width, and color. By default, I believe they're 24 by 24 and 1.5 stroke width. They're all grouped into categories, which is nice to easily find these. And when you hover over them, you can either copy as an SVG or download them, making it nice and easy to grab these from their website. To use these in Figma, just click on the Figma icon here, and that will open up the community file where you can easily grab a copy of this. So here is all of the icons in Figma. I'll just zoom in so you can see them. It's a really nice looking icon set. These all come as components, so you can easily just copy and paste these in other files, or you can publish this as a team library to easily use these components throughout your UI designs. I like the set because I think there's some unique icons that aren't in other sets. Like some of these 3D editor icons, I don't believe a lot of sets have these. So it's just a really nice large set to make sure you're covered for all of your icon needs. And so again, that was iconor.com for this huge icon set. So those were 5 amazing icon sets that you can start using in your designs right now for free. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks to NordPass for sponsoring today's video. See NordPass Business in action with a 3-month free trial using code KaylerEdwards, and I'll have a link to NordPass down in the description. Make sure you subscribe for new videos every single week. In the meantime, check out these videos, and as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.